In today's video, I will walk you through how to disable radar in Stripe. To get started, go to the Stripe website and access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Stripe dashboard. From the dashboard, move to the upper right corner of the screen and locate the gear icon. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. After the settings page opens, look through the available options until you find product settings. Select this section to view the settings related to the products and features available in your Stripe account. Within product settings, locate the option labeled Radar. Once you find it, click on Radar to open the Radar configuration page. After entering the Radar section, review the available settings and options displayed on the page. This area contains the controls related to Radar and its configuration. Look for the toggle switch that controls the radar feature. The toggle indicates whether radar is currently enabled or disabled. To turn radar off, click the toggle switch. When selected, the switch will move to the off position. Check the toggle to confirm that it is no longer enabled. Once the toggle has been switched off, review the page to make sure the change has been applied. The interface will indicate that radar is disabled to the status of the toggle. If additional radar settings are displayed on the page, leave them as they are unless you need to make further adjustments. The key action in this process is turning the radar toggle to the off position. After confirming that the toggle is off, the radar feature will remain disabled within your account settings. You can stay on the page to review the configuration or navigate to other areas of your Stripe dashboard as needed. If you ever need to revisit these settings, return to the dashboard, click the gear icon, open product settings, and select radar again. From there, you can view the current status of the feature and make changes if necessary. The process consists of opening settings, locating product settings, selecting radar, finding the radar toggle, and switching it to the off position. Once the toggle shows that radar is disabled, the setup is complete. That's all there is to it. You have successfully disabled radar in Stripe through the account settings menu. Thank you for watching.